Your first problem in this last part of Delta Math is about decomposition. So we just want to take a second and walk through how to enter in your answer. So if you remember, decomposition, right, is breaking apart a kind of complex function into two simpler ones. And we look for what is our inside function and what is our outside function? Or what's the frame? My inside function in my answer will be g of x. Boo. There we go. And my outside function will be the f of x. So here we go. Find f of x and g of x for this function. So first of all, I'm going to always start with the inside one. So g of x lives inside another. And a lot of times when we're looking inside parentheses, inside absolute value, inside a fraction somewhere, either in the numerator or the denominator, or inside, in this case, a square root. So x squared plus 1 lives inside this square root. That's going to be my g of x. Then my f of x is the outside kind of frame. So my outside function is this square root right here and the minus 3. That's my f of x. That's framing around my blue. And so remember, we always need a placeholder, so I'm going to put the x right there to kind of hold that place. And now I have to go to my answer. It says use the plus button to add a spot for a second function. So my first function is f of x, and it's square root sqrt(x). We can also go here and use the keyboard to make our life a little bit easier. Minus 3. And then I push the plus button so that I have a place to type g of x. G of x was the inside function. It lived inside the square root, x squared plus 1. Whoops, that's not a 1. Now when I submit it, I can double check I typed everything, and then it's going to tell me right or wrong, yes or no. But you have to have the f of x part and the g of x part preceding your function, so that way it knows which is which. If you are not getting it the way you want, that is a great opportunity to send a screenshot of your work, and we'd love to help you take a look at it. But I think you're going to get this figured out. You guys are rock stars.